Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission, fluid and filter change kits. This is going to apply to all 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models with the 6-speed automatic transmission, also known as the Tacoma AC60 transmission, which was manufactured by Aisin. In this kit, we include 5 liters of the RAVENOL T-WS automatic transmission fluid, the transmission filter with valve body sealing O-ring, the transmission pan gasket and spacers, and the drain and level plug sealing washers. Some of the features and benefits of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid change kit. For the transmission fluid, this kit uses the RAVENOL ATF, which is a premium synthetic transmission fluid made and bottled in Germany. RAVENOL is an official lubricant partner to Toyota Gazoo Racing Europe, which truly ensures the high quality and reliability of their transmission fluids for use in your Toyota Tacoma. The RAVENOL TWS is a high-performance ATF specifically engineered for the Aisin AC60 type 6-speed automatic transmissions used in the Tacoma models. It meets the recommended WS type ATF specification, which is the only type of ATF that should be used in these Tacoma transmissions. For the transmission pan gasket and filter and related hardware, we use OEM quality components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the original components. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission, fluid and filter change kits for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models with the 6-speed automatic transmission. We also have a full detailed step-by-step DIY instructional video and blog article linked below on how to properly install this kit in your Toyota Tacoma. If you have any other questions on our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits, or to learn more about our full range of high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, and transfer case fluid options for your Toyota Tacoma or any of your other vehicles, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.